not active on this channel. Partly because I'm just too lazy and I can't find my other filming camera. But today is December 28th and I thought I would make one last video before the end of the year. So I'm going to show you my skincare routine. I don't really take care of my skin, only when it gets really bad. Yeah, so here we go. Right, so for starters, I chose today because I actually have makeup on, so we're gonna do the full thing. I'm gonna remove it with some makeup pads. And then this is just some random micellar water that I stole from my mom's house. And then I'm just gonna soak them on both eyes and we'll be right back. Alright, so all of that's been removed pretty much. My lashes are still curled because I permed them. So I'm just gonna put my hair out of the way. Here's a cool trick that I could do with my long tangled hair now. Ta-da! It's on pretty tight. Alright, so depending on if my skin is really dry and I think I need exfoliating, I'll either go in with this one, which I don't believe really does anything. It's the gel where you rub on your skin and then stuff peels off, or like, you know. Or I'll use this Asian dupe for like the red serum. You only put it on for 60 minutes, but my skin feels okay today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it. I had the original scent that was like pink, and I thought this was orange scented, but I don't know how to read any of this, but I'm just gonna, is it focusing? There we go. Stab it on. And then I rinse this after. So we're gonna come down here and watch me wash my face. I wonder how long people actually scrub their face for. Just, you know, give it a couple scrubs. Make sure we get every last bit of my makeup off. And then I rinse. While my face is still a little bit wet, I normally like just pat it lightly, because right after I like to apply hyaluronic acid, but a new thing I started incorporating is this Sika Repair Snail Essence. Yeah, Snail Essence. It has hyaluronic acid in it. Yeah, I think it's really helped my dryness in the wintertime. I put like 2 pumps. And this stuff absorbs really fast. Smells kind of like berries. And yeah, I've been avoiding the dry patch that normally happens around my mouth. And skin's doing pretty well, even though I've been eating junk food. And then any leftover, I just apply to my hands because Lord knows I need them. After that, I still go in with my Witch Piggy Hell Pore Control. I don't really know. I just bought hyaluronic acid from Yes Style. Oh my god, if I can open it. And then I mix it with this collagen ampoule extra firming. Collagen's good for us, right? Just put like maybe 2 drops of that. This stuff is more liquidy, so I'll do like a light drop. Rub it again. Just a quick rub through the skin. I don't do toner because toner has just for some reason always failed me and irritated my skin more, even though I've tried the alcohol-free ones. So don't judge. Toner is not my friend. So this was the summertime, I would probably just leave it at here. Keep my face nice and light. I really hate applying lotions, but because it is winter, I use this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream that my friend gifted me last year, and it has lasted me a full year. I use it on my hands all the time, and then in the wintertime I apply it on my face. And this stuff, even though it's called cream, it's actually very light, and I don't feel like stuffy or icky with it all. I'm looking in the mirror here. Gotta moisturize the brows because, you know, they're tattooed on and they cost a lot. And then I would apply chapstick. So that is it. Probably brush my hair and then go to bed. I'm not ready for bed yet, so I'll probably reapply moisturizer after I brush my teeth because that part gets wet, right? Anyways, this is how I get ready for the night. I don't do all these steps in the morning because it's just too much. I'll probably just re-moisturize and then apply chapstick, but yeah. Alright, so that was my skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in the Cica Snail Essence, I do have a style code in the description box below. Yeah, good luck with the rest of your winter, everyone, and I hope you stay safe and dry and COVID-free and all of that. So, thanks for watching!